Today, I'm providing you with the ultimate cheat code when it comes to generating AI video.
Game over.
What will take your AI videos to something like this. It's going to be one major thing: the ability to know how to use specific camera movements. Nail that and your AI videos will never look the same. They're gonna start standing out from the crowd. On my website, I just added a series of blog posts. We'll start on this first one over here on the right hand side that says Claude AI image prompts. Now I know this is a video for creating videos. However, you still wanna use some of these prompts to generate your AI images first if you wanna use a reference image. Once you're on this page, everything is copyable. Select copy and use these prompts as an example. Use this feature phrase right here and your images will never look the same again. So if you haven't seen this video, check that one out because I show you exactly how to leverage the power of that phrase. But as we scroll down, we also have this meta prompt machine. What this actually is actually a prompt builder. I can copy the prompt right here. And then right here, we have a really good example meta prompt. And then finally, one of my favorites, the machine, okay? The prompt machine. I could select any of these specific subjects, camera styles, meta tokens, and anything else. And instantly, as I click every button, get instant prompts with those specific meta tokens, really good meta tokens to use over and over again. Okay, so I would highly recommend using this if you first want to use images to use as references to then generate your video.
So what? I went to Luby's on my wedding night. It's good. Yeah, so what about it?
But that's just the start. Let me show you the other two cheat codes. Now back over here, we have this one in the middle. This is called AI Video Camera Movements Cheat Sheet. This is specifically built for Seedance, but it could also be used for any AI model. Right here is a full cheat guide for the best camera movements to use. It gives you the specific details like push in, dolly in, pull out, aerial drone, and below it a description of what it is best for, like crash zoom, a sudden punch of emphasis, shock comedy, or a hard beat. All right. Scroll down again and we have this camera studio builder. All right, watch this. If I select movement explorer, once I select any of these options on the left hand side, the right hand side populates with a series of amazing example prompts you definitely want to try. But the best part is this mega prompt builder, okay? Tab back and forth. On this mega prompt builder, enter in your subject, okay? A blonde woman. Then we're gonna have the style and color grade. Select what you want, okay? Let's go with the epic cinematic. Then we have our drop downs. We're gonna get multi-shots. Shot 1, choose anything that you want. Shot 2, go with a different shot style or a camera movement. And then the same for shot 3. Let's go with bullet time.
This is really real, like for real. It's real.
We can also, on the right-hand side, add an optional beat if we're gonna have audio matching, all right? As I come down, generate prompt, boom, there it is, the full prompt based off of my specific selections. I can go with surprise me and get a completely random one every time I select it, giving me a different set of shots over and over again. And now finally, I can clear this out. Go down again, we're gonna get more camera kits, more example prompts for each of these specific camera movements. But then I just added a wow factor movement right here, all right? These are gonna be the shots that make people stop scrolling and rewatch. Unique, eye-catching, and unforgettable, all right? From the dolly zoom vertical shot to bullet time, FPV drone drive-through,
We're not in Texas anymore, Eric.
top-down God's eye, roll, Dutch spiral, and macro to wide pull. Those are going to be those specific wow camera movements. And as we scroll down again, I wanted to give you guys 5 15-second multi-shot prompts. So these are going to be some of the best that you can find. What you would do is copy each of these prompts and just simply replace the keywords, okay? Now, this is all based on specific styles and characters for each prompt, but you would just change it up. Like in the very beginning, instead of saying epic disaster trailer sequence, you can just say an epic fantasy film. Just fill in the blank, all right? And now finally, the Seedance AI video playbook. You come in here again, more playbooks to choose from. We'll get instructions on how to use Omni reference tokens, timestamps, global lock, cinematic vocabulary, okay? And in-prompt editorial cuts. We get a cheat guide for each of these prompt architecture things right here. And then we get an example for stacking images and videos together. A quick guide on how to do it, complete with right here, look, example prompts that you can use, okay? Where we have the global lock, the motion reference. These are going to be exceptional prompting templates that you definitely want to use, okay? More and more examples and more cheat codes. Then again, we're going to have more of these specific camera movements right here. Then we're going to have words that actually fire. Using these meta tokens are going to create unique forms of realism, from mentioning a specific lens, lighting styles, camera, color grade. It also shows us what to avoid, why it fails, and use instead. So for an example, avoid using the term cinematic. Why does it fail? Because it's already attached to everything. There's no directional signal. Use instead specific meta tokens. Don't waste time saying things that are already platform controlled. And remember, if you like these guides and videos like this, please remember to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time.
Subscribe to the mule.